Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay. Welcome back to another video. First of all, I want to say happy 4th of July, you guys. So obviously this makeup tutorial is going to be inspired or colors of 4th of July, inspired look of 4th of July or whatever. So yeah, you guys, so you saw on the thumbnail, duh. Okay, so anyways, if you want to know how I get this look, continue on watching. So as you can see, I already did my eyebrows, primed my eyelids off camera. So I have a feeling that this video is going to be really short, but that is okay. But this is like a little, you know, creative look that I did, you know, to, you know, celebrate or however you want to see it. But yeah, so let me explain what I am going to do. So I'm gonna use some concealer and a tiny pointy brush to create a eyeliner, and right on top of that eyeliner we're gonna place some red, white, and blue, the colors of the American flag, and with some red lipstick. So yeah, so that's why I'm saying it's gonna be a little short, because I'm not gonna do too much to the eyes, just like a little eyeliner, red, white, and blue eyeliner. But yeah, you guys, so let's get this started. So first thing, what I'm going to do is go ahead and create that eyeliner with some concealer. I'm going to be doing the other eye off camera. You know, that's why I said it's gonna be short. So right now I'm just using some Wet n Wild concealer to create this eyeliner, and I'm gonna try to make it as big as I can so it could, you know, be showable. So yeah, so the brush that I'm going into is with the Morphe M2501. Let's get. Alright, so that's the eyeliner. I hope you could see it. So what I'm going to do is grab a little sponge and set that in place before we go into the colors. Alright, so I'm trying to find like the smallest brushes ever so I could go ahead and create this. So first color we're gonna go in with is with red. Let me show you the palette. The palette I'm gonna be going in with is with the Morphe X James Charles palette. It has the red and blue and white that I need. So the first color I'm gonna go in with is with that red shade. Alright, I hope you can see that red. So the next color I'll be going in with is with white. And I think over that white, I'm going to go ahead and apply some white eyeliner to it so it could show more. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with some NYX white eyeliner to get Alright, so we got that white. Trying to make sure that, you know, dries up, and then I'm gonna go back in with some red to just add a little more to it, darken it up. Alright, so last color we're gonna go in with is with that blue shade. So let me go ahead and go in with that blue and then finish off this eyeliner. Let me get something else, something more pointier, and use one. Alright, so let me go back with that white. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, I did that. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera, pop on some lashes, and I will be right back. Alright, you guys, so I popped on some lashes and I finished the other eye. Which I hope that's good enough if y'all can see it. Okay, so next we're gonna go into primer. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and go in with some Clinique All About Eyes. This is alright, so next thing I'm gonna go in with foundation, not foundation, primer. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. primer. I'm gonna just apply to where I get like oily the most, and which is just my forehead and my nose, sadly. Oh, I gotta put some moisturizer. Totally forgot. Oops. So just put some, apply some around. So for moisturizer, I'm going in with Clinique moisturizing lotion. What else? And next I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Oil Control Primer Mist. Alright, so next thing I'm gonna go into foundation. The foundation I'm going to be going in with is with Huda Beauty. We're going in with Huda Beauty and I'm in the color Butter Pecan. I'm gonna try not to put too much. Alright, so oh, why do I look so pale? Jesus. Like, I look pale in the camera, but when I'm looking at myself in the mirror, like, it looks good. I don't know why. Maybe the lighting. I don't know. But okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and get a sponge so I can set this. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with some concealer, and I'm gonna go in with the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Concealer Plus Foundation Plus Concealer, and I am in the color 5.5. Alright, so now I'm gonna grab some setting powder and I'm gonna go in with some airspun setting powder and set wherever I place my concealer. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with some bronzer, and I'm gonna go in with the Lisa Frank bronzer. So I'm gonna go ahead and dust this off. I'm gonna go ahead and color up the under eyes. So I'm going with some red. right. I'm gonna put this on the inner corner of the eye. And blue. Alright, so now I'm gonna get some mascara and get the lower lashes. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with highlight, and the highlight I'm gonna be using is the Wet n Wild highlight. My all-time favorite, as you already know. Alright, so for lipstick, I'm gonna do a red shade. And this is actually absolutely one of my favorite red lipsticks. And this is from ColourPop. This is the Lippie stick. And this is in the color Love Life. It's a matte red lipstick. You know, I always told myself I don't look good with red lipstick. I don't know. For some reason, I just never thought I looked good with red lipstick. I don't know. It's just me. Dude, why I look so pale? Like on the camera, it looks like I look so pale. I don't know. I need to just start looking at myself. Okay, but last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and go in with some setting spray. And I'm going to go in with the Smashbox Photo Finish So Chill Coconut Primer Water. I'm running out. I need to buy some new setting spray. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys like this look. I hope you guys enjoyed your 4th of July today. Because I'm here filming. I'm filming, so that's okay, because you know, or whatever. I love doing this for you guys. You're such great supporters. But anyways, yes, you guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys like this look, and I hope you guys did enjoy the video. And if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, leave some comments below, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.